Good morning, good morning, good morning. Mystery Baker here. Can you guess what I'm going to be making? Can you? We've got sultanas here, currants and raisins, plain flour, unsalted butter, mixed peel, glazed cherries, nutmeg, mixed spice, black treacle, golden syrup, dark brown sugar, and finally, brandy. Can you guess? That's right. I'm going to be making my Christmas cake. Now, it's, some would say, a little bit late. I say better late than never. This is going to be my Christmas cake for my family. I'm going to be making an 8-inch cake. It's the perfect size for the family, actually. I do have a tutorial that shows you how to make a larger 10-inch, but this is more desirable for the home baker out there. It's my own recipe. I know others differ, but this is the perfect recipe for the novice, for the beginner, and even the advanced baker. I mean, it's simple to follow and it tastes absolutely delicious. I can promise you. Okay, so this is what's going to be in the making. I'm hoping to get the completed video up by the end of this week. It's one of those things, when you start getting the ingredients in for the Christmas cake, you can't help start thinking of Christmas. It's as simple as that. I'm so excited already, and I know it's a little bit early, and people think it's November, Lisa. Stop talking about Christmas, but I can't help it. And when you're buying the ingredients for a Christmas cake, it just gets you in the mood. And I won't be doing it this time, but usually when I'm making my Christmas cake, I put my Christmas CD on with all my Christmas music. And I get into the Christmas mood. So thanks for your time. Hit like, subscribe, and hit the bell, and then you'll be notified of when I upload my Christmas cake. Thanks for your time. Bye.